Ardis here. Today I'm on a package from the Go Diego Go DVD collection. Let's open this up. Okay. Next we have Let's get started. First we have here Moonlight Rescue. Front, spine, and the back. Here's the DVD. Next we have is Great Dinosaur Rescue Special Edition. Front, spine, the back. Here's the disc. We have this Great Gorilla. Front, spine, and the back. Here's the DVD. Next we have is Rainforest Fiesta. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Next we have is Diego's Great Iguana Adventure. Spine and the back. Here's the DVD, and this is Colorful Light. Next we have is Diego's Halloween. There's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Next we have is Diego's Magical Missions. Front, spine, and the back. Here's the disc. Okay, that's all for today. Please tell me what to review next. Bye. Click subscribe. Bye.